Fine hair has the tendency to look limp, stringy, and lifeless, even on days where you've just come back from the salon. Hi, I'm Aisha, and today I'm going to let all of you in on my secrets on styling fine and thin hair. So let's get started. Using a curling wand adds some extra texture to your hair in the form of soft, beachy waves. Just don't forget to use a heat protectant first. Wrap about an inch of your hair on the barrel and then curl it inwards. Alternate between curling towards and away from your face. Run your fingers through your curls to open them up. This way, you would end up adding volume to your hair in the form of these beautiful curls. If your hair dries smooth and straight, or if you don't love the polished blow-dried look, try adding some volumizing product to your hair and then blow-drying on the lowest setting. By doing so, you're activating the volumizing product, which will make your hair appear fuller. Yes, backcombing your hair may take ages to detangle, but by doing so, you're adding an extra lift to your hairdo that will make any professional or amateur hairstyle look amazing. Finish off your ends with a texturizing spray for an extra boost of volume. Are thinning hair, receding hairlines, and bald spots some of the concerns you face on a daily basis? Just take some eyeshadow that's a similar color to your hair and apply it onto the concerned areas for a fuller appearance. If you have darker hair, you can even use some of these artificial hair building fibers like Topic to conceal and camouflage thinning. Highlights and other trending hair coloring techniques add more depth and dimension to fine hair. Hair color makes the cuticle and shaft of the hair slightly rough and plump, making the hair that's naturally flat and limp hold a style longer than it actually would. So now you don't have to fight stringy hair anymore. Just style it with these simple tips and you'll never have a bad hair day again. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.